So you know, every day we wake up, we got to do our makeup. So if you want to get this look right now that I have on, stay tuned to watching this video right now. Let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be using the big box of 64 shades, and I'm going to be starting off with my eyebrows, and I'm using glue stick to lay those eyebrows down. So you guys, we are doing a cut crease today, so we're going to get out your P. Louise. Get out your P. Louise Room Zero base, because we're doing that. Make sure you have your big box of 64 shades. And I'm going to go in with this Grant down there at the bottom, right here. Grant. Out. So all of that is evenly applied. So I'm going to put the cream right here. It's going to be the St. John. This St. John that's right here. We're going to blend it out. Baby. Ooh. that white right there. Back in with my first brush and go back in with that first color, and we're going to pat it over here on the side. So we're going to fill in this part right here. Y'all see? And then go into the second one and blend it out on the edge. And baby, you gotta cut crease. Ow. Okay, so now we got one more, and since y'all know how to do this one, let's just do this one. Go in with Sharp Me from the Crayon Case, and I'm gonna do literally a little line, like just a line. With lashes from the Luxury Club, 20 pair for $20. Go shop. And this is in Yacht status, so going in with the Milani String Clean Shade 500. go in with the Contoursition notebook from the Crayon Case, and I'm going to set my face. I'm going to set my face with Bobby and Raven. Go in with the first page, and we're going to mix these two together. Set my face. So for lips today, we're going to go in from the Crayon Case, Gumbo and Private Party. And with some clear gloss. So you guys, this is the final look. As you guys can see, I bumped my hair. I'm not gonna like flatten it from the roots because I'm actually gonna wash it, and I'm deciding on if I want to put some passion twist in there, so it'd be pointless if I'm gonna wash it tomorrow. But I just bumped my ends, you know, the length is there, like it's giving me shoulder length, you know, shoulder length. But Make sure you guys continue to watch my YouTube videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure your post notification bell is on so you do not miss any videos from the queen, Kiara C, okay? And make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and you tell a friend to comment, like, and subscribe also. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at KiaraC_beauty. And you know, I thank you guys so very much for watching. And we just want to stay tuned to more looks. These lashes are from the Luxury Club Beauty, and everything else is Crayon Case. So go shop right now. And we're just gonna peace out. Bye.